How would you like a list of affiliate offers that are converting right now and generating serious commissions? And in July, the year of America's birthday, in the year that is the World Cup. What is your guys' teams? I don't even know what your guys' teams. You guys didn't tell me who you're rooting for. You can put those in the comments. And today we're counting down the top 5 ClickBank offers for July 2026, not just for the 4th of July, but for the entire month. That's 30 extra days. And we know that these are working because we've looked at the ClickBank marketplace. We know the numbers. We know the exciting niches that are covered. And we know that you're gonna love them. So, real quick, if you haven't seen me before, I'm Michael Lohman, sales manager here at ClickBank, working with our top affiliates, and I spend my days working with the best and the brightest, as they would say. I keep a close eye on the latest trends in the space. And if you are wanting to discover what's working on ClickBank this month, open up your Notes app, grab an iced coffee, and get in some AC, cooled, conditioned air, because man, it's hot out there. Let's get to the top 5 offers. At number 5, we got Lymph Tonic. It's got an EPC of $1.77, an average payout value of $193.63, and a hot conversion rate of nearly 1%. This new product addresses a huge but untapped US market with strong buyer intent. Projections suggest that up to 12 to 15 million people could be affected by the chronic condition lymphedema. Am I saying that right? Affected by a chronic condition to the lymph nodes. I'm gonna just do that. Making this a large and highly engaged target audience for affiliates. And as an affiliate, you're in good hands here because this product comes from a Diamond Elite ClickBank vendor and boasts strong EPC and an average payout of nearly $200 or up to $160 CPA, depending on if you wanna go rev share, CPA, it's up to you. But those commissions will stack up fast, so you want to get out there and promote it before everyone else does. It's working on Facebook, Google, email, YouTube, TikTok, you name it, it's working. If you've been searching for a high converting supplement that drives repeat business, well, this one checks all the boxes. So unlock a pile of commissions and get promoting it today in the marketplace. Rain, water freedom system. Yes, that's right. In position number 4 is Water Freedom System, and it's back. This is a survival-focused offer that shows people how to create a self-sufficient source of water, even in desert conditions. And just look at the stats. We got an EPC of 80 cents, an average payout value of $52.52, and a hot conversion rate of 1.79%. I mean, wow, that's awesome. The Water Freedom System helps harness condensation technology to pull up to 30 gallons of fresh water daily out of thin air. Whether your audience is concerned about natural disasters, water shortages, or just skyrocketing utility prices, this product is perfectly positioned as a lifesaver and a money saver, all in one. As an affiliate promoting the Water Freedom System, you'll naturally be able to appeal to preppers, homesteaders, and everyday families who just are worried about droughts or water scarcity. You also get in built-in marketing angles like NASA warnings, shocking emails about looming crises, and intriguing backstories about a retired serviceman turned water farmer. These strong story-driven angles are perfect for grabbing attention and warming prospects up for the offer. Plus, you can earn a generous 75% rev share on every sale. So, it's backed by a vendor that provides ready-made promotional materials that make your job easier. And everything from email swipes to eye-catching banners are there and available for you. If you want conversions fast, this offer checks all the right boxes. To freedom and water. Anyway, speaking of freedom and water, if any of these offers are floating your boat, then sail right over to ClickBank and start your own account. I mean, you've been watching me for this long and you haven't started your own account, you should. So just go over there and go start and enter in your information and get promoting today. Click the link below. This link right here. Click it. Just click that link. And once you got your free account, you'll be able to grab your own tracking link and promote any offer you can find in the marketplace today. So go, get promoting, check the marketplace. Okay. Now for another strong digital offer from a top vendor, we got the Energy Revolution System. You've probably seen it before. That's because we've had it on this list many times before. But check out these illuminating numbers and see why. It's got an EPC of 70 cents, an average payout value of nearly $50, and a hot conversion rate of 1.68%. It works. It works on native, it works on Facebook, it works on Google. It's a really good product. Plus, it helps your audience ditch the power company and slash their electric bills fast. This is a digital product that provides plans for an alternative energy device designed to help users generate their own power and reduce the need for traditional utilities. With the amount of inflation we've been seeing lately, I'm not sure if you guys have, checked your wallets. Well, Energy Revolution System is a solution for high demand. Your audience will appreciate just how affordable and simple it is to build, and they'll appreciate the idea of it. So you're capturing a $50 a pop on a conversion rate that's well north of 1%. That means strong commission potential across all sorts of traffic sources, as we just said. And if you're just looking for a high converting offer, then go promote it. Go to the marketplace. Now let's shift gears from survival and utility savings to a market that basically never goes out of style. Sleep. Yes, sleep. The very thing that you don't want to do when you're streaming. But if you are streaming, maybe you need U-Sleep. You sleep? I sleep. We all sleep. No, it's U-Sleep. This powerful supplement helps people sleep more soundly starting from the very first night. And it's great if you want to tap into a huge underserved US market of people who probably are gaming for too long. Now let's get to those offers, shall we? It's got an EPC of 70 cents, an average payout value of $154, and a hot conversion rate of nearly 0.5%. And if you're saying, wow, those are so low, that's because a lot of people are promoting it of many skill levels. And more that these offers, the higher we are up on this list, the more people are going to promote it, and that's going to be a bigger audience. But that doesn't mean it's not converting. Now, what are you getting out of U-Sleep? Well, you're partnering with someone who has a proven reliability and success when it comes to making offers. With payouts topping $150 per sale and a sub-niche with wide appeal, U-Sleep can definitely make your affiliate dreams come true to a certain degree. This one converts strongly on multiple traffic sources, including email, Facebook, Google, YouTube, TikTok, basically everywhere. It also features direct tracking. They have great resources. They have great creatives. But remember, approval is required to promote U-Sleep. But it's well worth it to get access to this top tier supplement and to deliver a real sleep solution for your audience. So go check out U-Sleep in the marketplace today to get started. This next offer didn't just sneak into the top offers ranking for July. We didn't have to wait 250 years for it, just like Murica. No, it vaulted all the way to the top spot because it wanted something. It earned it. And it earned it because it had to fight the hard way through men. Because this is Femicore. It's official. It's our #1 offer for the month of July. And it's a breakthrough in the booming pelvic health niche. Here are the stats for this new #1 offer. It's got an EPC of $1.66, an average payout value of $223, and a hot conversion rate of 0.78%. Femicore stands out by targeting the root cause, an imbalance in the urinary microbiome, and replenishing it with good bacteria for long-lasting support. It caters specifically to women over 45 who suffer from uncontrollable leaks and weak pelvic floors. When you promote Femicore as an affiliate, you tap into a high conversion copy written by A-list pros with average payouts topping $200 per sale, and top affiliates are seeing huge earnings on Facebook, email, and even native ads on this one, thanks to the combination of a high-performing VSL, built-in upsells, and medically backed angle that captures trust and attention. And it's been a while since we've seen a supplement put up numbers like this in the women's health niche. So take advantage of it. It's got a proven track record to boost your sales. And just note, this product does require approval, but, I mean, when have you ever not wanted the approval of a woman? Now, that was an incredible group of offers. Am I right? Am I right? Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Almost as awesome as America's birthday. Woo! Happy birthday, America. Now, if you watched before, and you know we're not done yet, because just like in America on 4th of July, there's some fireworks still hanging around that can need to be shot off at 2 a.m. to wake the neighbors. So we got a bonus that's absolutely crushing in the digital space, and that is the Genius Switch. If you're looking for a high payout, attention-grabbing offer that taps into the whole power of the whole brain activation to transform users' lives, well, look no further. And of course, we need to talk about the stats. Who couldn't talk about the stats? It's got an EPC of $2.62, an average payout value of $52.28, and a hot conversion rate of 6.06%. Woo! Really? Now, I have to say, this is a bit of small sample size because it's just getting going, but it's got high potential and you know it's going to take off. And I promise your eyes won't deceive you. This offer really has a good EPC and a great conversion rate. Now, it is going to go down with scale and all of that, but what a great start. You couldn't ask for something that is new to the ClickBank marketplace. So it's no wonder that this offer is going to sell like hotcakes, and that's why it's in our bonus. So get out there, go promote, and, you know, maybe, I don't know, steal some tea from some British people Or, I mean, because who doesn't? Who doesn't these days, you know? It's just a little tea. You just, well, we didn't steal it. We just kind of threw it overboard. We didn't know what to do with it. You know, it's not on us. It's not on us. We're not big tea drinkers over here. We just sat there, we're going through, we're just searching, and we're like, where's the coffee? And then just was all tea, and we're like, oh man, this must be packaging. We just threw it, and then accidentally started a war. Who knew? Anyway, these offers are fire. Go promote them. Go make some money, y'all.